Bob, no offense. And he told me that if you join this Roblox group, you can't leave it. Which has me really confused. I'm like, what do you mean? That's a lie. There's no way if you join a group, you can't leave it. I'm calling cap. But speaking of caps, today's challenge is you've ever seen someone wear a hat before? Smash that like button. And also, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell, and maybe I will give you your dream on Roblox. It's maybe. Anyways, let's talk about it. So, what do I need? You can't leave this Roblox group. Is it the Roblox K fan club? Is it Fame's K? Well, I'm sure you can leave those groups if you really wanted to. Like all you gotta do, leave it. I would. If you leave the group, I'll have to personally find it. But no, I'm not gonna find it. Anyway, my point is, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this group here, right? This is Silent Ninja by Crimson 7440. 26,000 members. Join today, join the Silent Ninja. So, I'm not going to join the group on favorite 2A, I'm going to start favorite 3A. As you can see on my profile here. And so if I go ahead and paste the group name again and hit join group, well, first of all, I have to just actually here, that's correct. Alright, so anyone can start in the group, so I'm going to be like, hi. And I joined the group, and I refresh the page, and it still says join group, but it says unable to join group. But I'm in the group. There's no leave group button, and I can report the group for abuse, and it's really weird because in my other groups, you can like leave the group if you feel like you make primary and leave the group. But in the Silent Ninjas, this group really is a silent ninja. You literally can't leave this group. Once you join it, the join group button just remains forever. And so yeah, it's just really weird to see. But now we're gonna go ahead and investigate the group. First of all, anyone can group shout at this group. So that's a really easy way to promote, scams, I guess. And then we look at the ranks here. You got newbie, rookie, master, and legend. And there's everyone's in the newbie rank except for one legend. And that legend, Crimson 7440. Now who is Crimson 7440? Well, he's not banned forever, and he seems like an ordinary Roblox game. I played Roblox many years ago. So if you look at his stats, it says, sorry I've not been on in a while. I'm in high school now. Well, congratulations on making it to high school, Crimson. And if you take a look at his outfit, you can't see his face. It's completely obstructed. And he looks like one of those depressed Morgan people who take Morgan face seriously. So then I can go ahead and take a look even further here. It seems like he hasn't logged on to Roblox in years. And he owns a bunch of failed groups with no members, except for the Silent Ninja. And all these other groups, they're normal groups. You can join them, you can leave them. But the Silent Ninjas, you cannot leave. It's a glitched group. So he joined Roblox in 2009. Let's go ahead and see the last time that he logged on. So 137440 hasn't logged on to Roblox in 2 years. So honestly, he either is some crazy exclusive hacker or Roblox made an oopsie when he made this group, and I'm gonna keep investigating, okay? So let's go ahead and check out if he's ever posted on the forums. He's only posted twice. So in September 19th, 2009, he asked people how do you script recon. I think he was trying to spell the word weapon. And then someone said they're going to build for free, and he asked someone to make him a GUI. But I don't know if building and making a GUI is the same thing. But that's okay, Crimson. I mean, the Crimson Chin are my favorite superhero. He's Crimson Chin, yes. And so this group really is a silent ninja because when you join the group, it's like you haven't even joined the group. It's like you're a silent ninja in the group, and then you can't leave, even though you're not in it. You are because if you go to my profile, David 3A, and look at the group that I'm in. I'm in the group, but I can't leave it. So, yeah. But we have to go deeper. So now I'm going to pull out some classic game strategy to see if there was a hiccup in Roblox. So first of all, I'm going to see the group that was created right before the silent ninja. And this is the laser. It's Stuntman 2001. Nobody has shouted in this game on December 30th, 2009. And if I try to join the group, it's going to join the question. So if I look at who made a group directly after the group, this is a closed group, no members, 2009, it's 2010. And if I look at the group after that, another closed group. And the problem with really old groups is that almost all of them are abandoned and closed groups. So this is the closest group I can find. Profits at random time. A group from 2011. And this was made 7 groups before the silent ninja. And to go ahead, you can actually choose the group. So there wasn't a problem with the group because the silent ninja. Now the thing is, I'm really in this group, just like I'm in my other group. It shows here on this page. And so the next thing I'm going to investigate is, so I found this game here, the Silent Ninjas Hanging. And this is a game where the Silent Ninjas can't join it. Has 3 visits that come September 28th, 2009, which is also the date this game was created. And there's not much I can see here in this game of the Silent Ninjas Hangout. But I guess this is the hangout of the Silent Ninjas. And then if we take a look at the most glitched part of this group, I think I've officially found a solution. So using APIs on a different Roblox website, there's only 3 ranks: Rookie, Master, and Legend. There's 1 Legend, 0 Master, and 0 Rookie. But if you look at the Silent Ninjas, there's Rookie, Master, Legend, but then there's this rank called Newbie, 26,000 people, which now leads me to my final theory as to why you can't beat this group. According to the official Roblox API, there's only 3 ranks, and Newbie is not one of them. But on the website, it shows that there's a Newbie rank, and there's 26,000 people in it. Which leads us to our final solution to this problem. Why can't you beat this group? Well, this rank doesn't really exist. So it might act like we're in the group if we're in the rank. But this rank doesn't exist. And you can't leave a group if you don't have a rank. If you don't have a rank, it's like you're not even in the group. Because normally, when you're in a group, they'll show you your rank at the top. I'm an alt in this group. I'm a recruit in profits. But here, the rank doesn't really exist, so it can't show me what my rank really is. And that is why you can't leave this Roblox group. I found the solution. I figured it out at last. It's really strange. So just guys, join the group. You cannot leave. That's my warning to y'all. This is dangerous territory, guys. You don't want to get trapped in a group for the rest of your life. And yeah, it's just really weird, okay? I think I should leave it off with this little image. Join today's join. Join the silent ninja. You see a ninja boy here with a shirt and pants. And I think I'm going to go ahead and finish this video by the ninja. So, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure you smash that like button. Follow me on Instagram at Dave here. Follow me on Twitter at Roblox Dave. Join my Facebook. Join Dave's page. Join my Discord server. Discord.tv/Dave. Check out the merch down below. The Drippy collection is out now. If you buy it, you will have more drip than any rapper you can think of. And that's pretty much all I got to say today. So, it's your boy Dave, and I am Hey guys, today we're going on the field this morning. Now, for school trips are everything. I mean, I remember when I was young, I was in elementary school, and every time they announced the field trip, they were canceled. The reason why I still have trust is and whenever someone says we're going to do something, you should just not to do it. You know, always trust issues that came when I was a kid. But besides my comment problem, let's go ahead and talk about field trips. So today's challenge is you like field trips. That's what I like to do. And also, make sure you subscribe. And there's another good thing. I don't know what this is. So, it's right here. It's the Roblox Museum of 2003-2008. Now, I actually remember this thing existed back in 2009. And I remember specifically in Chicago because we got the access to it. But this is the Roblox Museum of 2006-2008. Now, normally I would start advertising, but since I'm a boomer, I gotta support other boomers on Roblox. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and play this game, and the reason why I'm playing this is well, I think like this is really good on this, and it's actually really funny. So that means like it's still works. So that's all the typos. The game is really good. It's a good like whole so I'm gonna go ahead and join the game, and I'm gonna see what's in here, you know? Alright. Yes, I need my Halloween costume. I mean, I feel the first, but I want to follow that. First of all, I love how I spawned in this last step. So if you didn't know, Roblox currently has square steps. We have steps before. And then they're gonna change it from round step to square Please read don't feel the calculation book. And unfortunately, I cannot drop my hat. But back in the day, when you hit the equal study, you can take your hats off. It's a very complicated rule. You can drop your hats off. Regardless, he says these Western countries regarding the talent, the luxury, sewing, the all these other ones, rare, shiny stuff. But none of this, all this stuff came out of 2009. I know you can't be young for this area. Anyway, so we enter the castle, it's just like two lines, like that. Only let's go ahead and walk in. We walk in and see the scarecrow. And this that's the one that she's the stuff things look like. But they're awesome freedom, like people, these like Astros, and a bunch of other forgotten old games. But really cool stuff. And so yeah, so this is an airplane that you can fly out there. It works very different from the airplane today. I the old one is different. Why? Because back then there were no like cars and explosions. You don't be flipping tools. You have to be flipping. It's really weird, but it is interesting. One of the first social games that I heard of. This game was built in 2008. He actually built this game in Roblox. And over here, it says sometimes a default homeless on the front page also receives bacon. Because you only needed like less than 3 people to be on the front page. That's the difference today where adopting is over a million people. You only needed a few people to make the front page level. As you can see here, it's very simple. It's the default starter at one of the watching the field of squad and chilling. You were the most popular game on Roblox. Anyway, so if we go over here, it says three models were largely implemented in the game. No mesh. The first year ever made in the United States. The first had everything. Not necessarily true. I can figure about that. So, we check that out. But hey, if you try, it's one thing that spaces in names. It's true. With rare user name and people number 4, I thought it was user name. And basically, it's caused a game. Unfortunately,